Hello Surveyor 3s. In this video, we will see how the new feature works. The new feature that has been added lets the drone return to home during mission when the communication gets lost. Here, I am resuming the mission. Once you give resume, we get a mission info pop-up. Here, if you wish the drone to return to home, if communication gets lost, then you can tick this button. Now give confirm. Now the drone is taking off and flying to the position. And now it has started continuing its mission. Since this is a simulation, I am deliberately making the communication get lost. As you can see now, the communication is lost. Now I will try to regain my connection by switching off the Wi-Fi and switching on again. Here you can see the communication has been restored. And here you can see the drone returning to home and starting to land. From the top right hand side, we can see that it is now in the RTH mode. You can use this feature in risky terrains. With this, we come to the end of the video. And thank you for watching the video.